check out these transparent backgrounds. You're first going to open up Keynote. If you don't have Keynote, you're going to go into Self-Serve and download Keynote. In the event you don't have it, you're going to tap on Self-Serve. And if I was at school, it would let me type in what I need, and it would let me install it. I don't need to install it, it already is installed, so I don't have to hit reinstall. If I didn't have it, I would hit that button. So since I have Keynote, I'm going to click this plus sign, and I'm going to create a new presentation. And it doesn't matter what it is, we want a white background so we can practice transferring and taking away the backgrounds and making it transparent. I'm going to click this plus sign right here in the corner to get a new slide, and I want that slide to be blank. Okay, this is going to be my paper. This is what I will work on. So now I'm going to use my home button, and I'm going to go back to Safari. When I go to Safari, it's my internet web browser. I'm going to search for something to put in my virtual locker, such as a backpack. So all these backpacks popped up when I typed book bag into the search. I'm going to click on this backpack, press and hold, and I'm going to copy the image. I'm now going to go back to Keynote. I'm going to press and hold, and I'm going to paste the backpack. The backpack is here. So what I want to be able to do is to make the backpack transparent. When the blue dots are around the backpack, it means it is selected. I'm going to select the paintbrush. And then I'm going to click this Instant Alpha. Instant Alpha allows me to remove a solid color. So I'm going to press with my finger, and where it's blue right now, it's taking the white away. And I need to come in here and get inside the handle. So now I can click Done. Now I'm going to go to my Google Slides. It's not on here. I can paste it, resize it, and make it fit in my locker. Making the transparency background is very helpful when it comes to creating collages on the iPad. So I wanted to share that quick trick with you. You can do Instant Alpha in any of the Apple softwares, such as Pages or Keynote. I like Keynote the best because it allows you to manipulate everything like a slideshow. All right, have fun. Apply this to your virtual locker.